When doing dimensional analysis, there are three items required to set up a single equation. These are the desired answer, which goes on the left side of the equation, the equivalent between the two units in the problem, and the given quantity and the unit in which it's applied. This is the official way to do it, but I do things just a little bit differently, which I think is a little bit easier. But if you like to do it the official way that I have written out here in the directions, works just fine. I have also supplied some unit conversions here. Now typically these are not always 100% accurate, kind of like the inches and the kilograms. These are really useful approximations that are pretty close to it. So if they give you something that's a little bit different, that's what you use. But for this video, I'm using these approximations for the questions. So for the first one, I'm going to convert 3 feet to centimeters. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write 3 feet over 1. And now I need to get rid of the feet and convert it to centimeters. Now the problem is I can't go straight from feet to centimeters. I'm going to have to do a couple of steps to get there. First off is I'm going to get rid of the feet and turn it into inches, and then get rid of the inches and turn it into centimeters. So this is going to be a couple step process. So the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of feet. And I can see that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So since I need to get rid of feet, I'm going to put 1 foot into the denominator and 12 inches into the numerator. Now that I have that, I still have to get rid of the inches because I need centimeters. So I have 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeters. So I'm going to again multiply and have 1 inch in the denominator so I can cancel out the inches here. And up top, I'm going to have 2.5 centimeters. Now that I have all that, I start canceling things out. So the feet cancel each other out, the inches cancel each other out, and I'm left with just one unit of measurement, which is the centimeters. So I'm just going to multiply 3 times 12 times 2.5. And when I do that, I'm going to end up getting 90 centimeters. So this one is a multi-step process. I can't just go get rid of the feet and go straight to centimeters. I have to get rid of the feet to go to inches, and then go from inches and get rid of that so I can get to centimeters. So this happens occasionally, but again, it's just the same process. What are you trying to get rid of? It says what should be canceling out. Next, I'm going to convert 2,600 grams to pounds. So again, I have 2,600 grams over 1, and I need to get rid of the grams. So again, just like with the last one, I can't just go from grams to pounds. I'm going to have to go through an intermediate step. In this case, I'm going to have to go to kilograms. So I know I'm going to have grams in the bottom and kilograms up top. And I have this measurement up here that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to have 1 kilogram and 1,000 grams. And now I'm going to do it again. I need to get rid of kilograms because I need pounds. So I'm going to have kilograms in the bottom and pounds up top. And the unit conversion for that is 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. So 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. And now I can start canceling off units of measure. So the grams go away, the kilograms go away, and now all I'm left with is pounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2,600 times 1 times 2.2, and then divide the whole thing by 1,000. And when you do that, and I would recommend a calculator, you will get to 2 decimal places 5.72 pounds. So just like with the one before, we can't just go straight from grams to pounds with what they've given us. We're going to have to do an intermediate step so we can convert it to kilograms, and then from kilograms we can get to pounds using dimensional analysis.